Hey everybody, today I'm checking out this cupping massage instrument that I received for ordering purposes, and I think that it's really nice because it has some really nice message functions that I think that's going to be really perfect to use them anywhere that you need them. We have the instruction manual with all important information about it, how to use it, each of the modes explained, how to operate it, and everything. We get two different cups of suction depending of the area that we're gonna use. Okay, this is first one is quite small, and then we have this one that is, as you can see, a little bit larger, and this is the main unit. You got the power controls in here. Okay, let me turn it on. You can see we have a screen. The LEDs meaning that they are working right now. We have different intensities of heat level. Okay, a total of 12, and also a total of 12 on the pressure sucking force. Okay. You also get these buttons, you can relieve the pressure instantly, and it has two different modes: a continuous negative pressure one and a adjustable one that will be adjusting through all the period that you're going to use it. That it's up to a total of 20 minutes, which I think that's really nice. I'm going to try it out. Let's go inside. We got these filters. Okay, they go around here. Place them this. And now you can use it, okay? And we also have a USB-A to Type-C charging cable that we're gonna use here, okay? This one is for larger body parts, okay? You can use it on different parts of your body, your back, and your chest. In this case, I'm gonna use it in my arms, and I'm gonna change the cupping one. Okay, this is, you can see, bigger. I'm going to use the smaller one. I'm going to make sure that it's sealed tightly. Okay, and I'm going to read the instruction manual on how to, so I can know how to use it correctly with all the different modes and the different adjustments that I can do. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, so now that I give it a quick read, I'm gonna use it as I'm saying here in my arm. I'm gonna turn it on. This, and first it starts on the level 3 of the temperature. You can adjust it. I'm gonna set it up to a open 6. Okay, you can also adjust the suction power. Okay, I'm gonna set it in 1. Like that. As I've said, with this button we can relieve the pressure. As you can see right now it's in there, but if I press it, it comes off. And I'm going to change the, okay, I just press it and it's on the second mode. It will start the suction and it will be doing a breathing motion. Okay, so it's a little bit more comfortable. It's really nice. I like a lot that you can select different levels of intensity. The heating function, I'm going to set it up to H, which is quite nice. You can see the red LEDs that are working right here. Okay. And I'm going to change the mode 1 second. As you can see, to make a bit of pressure, it's quite strong that it even can hold it by itself, which I think that it's quite nice. And boom, let's test it around. Go. And as I've said, you can take it anywhere to use it. Okay, I'm gonna use it right here at my house. I'm gonna turn it on, change the bulb, and select the heat level 4 and the intensity 5. Okay, and just relax while it's doing its work. So I've said you can use it in different parts of your body, in your arms, your back, your legs, in your chest, in your lower back, whatever you need it. I'm checking that it's really nice, really portable design that you can take it with you anywhere. It's nice that it charges with USB Type-C, makes it really easy to take it with you, and overall I think that it's really nice. It's quite comfortable and I would really recommend it. See you guys.